Good people, back again with another video. As always, every video I have to request everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get this channel popping, man. Let's get this channel popping. I'm bringing you lot some quality stuff, some different reviews, man. So come on, man, we need some more numbers. That's what we need. We need numbers. I'm not focused on the numbers, but I'm focusing on the numbers. If you get it, you get it. But yeah, so this is another trainer or sneaker that I've just bought another pair of previously, and then I bought this colorway because I was thinking I got that colorway, I might as well get this classic one, be a good all-rounder. The other colorway was a white colorway. I've worn those like 3 times and they're quite dirty now, so it's quite annoying with them. However, I've got a pair that, you know, maybe won't get as dirty, or I hope they don't, because they definitely don't look like they will. The red box, the famous red box, the red box that Nike will not change, or they are slowly changing to that move to zero box. I don't really like that box either. I kind of like the one which is like half orangey and then like the brown, proper old school vibes. But let's get into this, man. We've seen this box 100 times. Let's get into the pair and its official government name. So it's the Air Max Plus, known to myself as TN. Some people call them tuned, air tuned or whatever. They're just TNs to me, man. Black, 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 noir, noir, noir. US 11, UK 10, centimeters 29, BR 43, Europe 45. I still don't know what BR is, bruv. I keep forgetting. I have to check. So, as you know, triple black TNs, man. Let's get into this one. Yes. So we got ourselves a classic pair of TNs, triple black. You know, this is a clean classic colorway that you cannot go wrong with. Definitely one for the colder months, for the winter. Comfort levels are quite good on these, you know, high levels of comfort. Let's just get into the colorway. So on the sole, as you can see, that TN sole. I think these are like carbon fiber or metal plates type thing, so they're quite like stiff. They don't really bend like that. TN Air and a Nike tick, and it's got this like TN thing that they do. Bit of plastic there, and then we've got the midsole, also black. It's got the plasticky bit there. Black midsole, black outsole, black bottom. Then it's got like a kind of a shiny leather that they have, or they've included. So it's like a shiny leather on the back, kind of shiny leather there, and it goes to the front. So it's also on the back there with that classic TN Air tuned TN logo. So that's why they're TNs to me, because it says TN on the back. And then it's still got that leather wrap around all the way there. Then the front, that's always a plastic, stiff plastic. Then it's got the plastic, as all TNs do. I believe they're called veins, don't quote me on that. I think I saw it the other day. So the veins, all plastic as well. Quite a light shoe, I'd say. Decent weight, decent, you know, lightness. What all TNs have is that red and yellow bubble there. Just quickly zoom into that. But yeah, no, the comfort level on these, very high level of comfort, to be honest, if I have to say. So that's the reason I bought them. I also bought them because, you know, triple black, you cannot go wrong with triple black. And a lot of models are getting kind of boring now. So like Air Max 97, boring. 98, boring. 95. With a 95, so many different pairs of 95s in black come out. Like, it's a joke. Like, every winter there's 3, 4, 5 pairs of black ones. So, you know, it's just boring. These I haven't had before. I do have the white ones that I've worn like 3 times and they're quite dirty now, which is annoying. Definitely will be spraying this mesh so it stays waterproof for those colder months. I do remember a few years ago there was a leather pair that came out. I would love to get my hands on those, as those would definitely be much better for the winter months. It's more of a classic one, you know. It's one of them ones which is, they're quite rare to come by actually. And what's funny is that I don't think they really sold out. And yeah, if you know about the leather pair, you know about the leather pair, you're a serious person. Just looking at this, like on here, look, there's like a bit of an odd, the way it is, it's just a bit odd. So that's quite strange, especially knowing, you know, you're paying £170, which is a lot if you think about it. For example, an average wage is like, I don't know, 500 a week. So you're paying like 2 days' wages or 1.5 days' wages for a pair of not so great quality Nikes. That's always annoying when the quality is not that great, or you know, it's not on par with other models. So mainly the reason I bought these is because, you know, I want them for the winter months. Also, I haven't reviewed these, so I thought I might as well get them and review them for you guys. So you guys are costing me some serious money. So make sure you know, stay active, subscribe, like, stick the bell icon on. Let's build this channel, man. I really need it to go up. But yeah, it's a classic TN, you know, triple black. One of them ones which doesn't go out of fashion. I've seen every type of person from every walk of life wear these, you know what I mean? So very versatile shoe, very classic shoe. And let's see how they hold up, really. I do want to do like a 1 year on from these, so that's gonna obviously take a year to film or whatever, but it's always worth it just to see kind of how they hold up in a year and what happens to them, what state they're in, if they're in a state. But yeah, that's enough waffling from me, people. Tell me if you like them, tell me if you have a pair, tell me if you want a pair, tell me if you need a pair. Not that I'll get you a pair, unfortunately. I wish I could. But yeah, tell me what you think about these. And most importantly, or one of the most important things is the on foot video to follow, so you can have a look at what they'll look like on foot. How I've, you know, kind of laced them up a bit differently, you know, taken them out to top loops. I don't really do top loops or anything. Yeah, people, make sure you stay tuned for the on foot video that's gonna follow. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And the most important thing is, take care, people.